Let's take a look at this problem. We got 5x squared minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, it already has 0 on this side, and it's in the right form, x squared x, no x. So let's identify our a, b, and c. A is whatever number is in front of your x squared, which is 5. B is whatever number is in front of your x, which is negative 2. And c is your number at the end, which is 5. Quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, before we plug in our numbers, we're going to go through and replace our variables with sets of parentheses. Everything else remains exactly as is, just replacing the variables with parentheses. This helps eliminate or helps reduce sign errors. Okay, now everywhere our b was in our formula, we're going to put in negative 2. Everywhere our a was, we'll put in 5. Everywhere our c was, we'll put in 5. Well, here we got negative, negative, which gives us a positive 2. Plus or minus, negative 2 squared is 4, minus 5 times 5 is 25 times 4 is 100 over 10, which gives us 2 plus or minus square root 4 minus 100 is negative 96 over 10. Now 96 looks like something we can break down. 96 is 2 times 48. 2's prime, so we circle it. 48 is 2 times 24. 2's prime, so we circle it. 24 is 2 times 12. 2's prime, so we circle it. And 12 is 2 times 6. Oops, I didn't mean circle a 6. Never go to bed. Okay, 2 times 6. This 2 is prime, so we circled it. And 6 is 2 times 3. Okay, so this becomes 2 plus or minus square root negative 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's and 1, 3 all over 10. Okay, now this negative 1 is going to come out as an I. We're looking for pairs of numbers, or pairs of something. Here's a pair of 2's, so they're going to come out as a single 2. And here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out as a single 2. Now all those items come out with multiplication between them. So we got 2 plus or minus 2 times I. And we're left with 2 times 3 inside, which is 6. All over 10. Which gives us 2 plus or minus 2 times 2 is 4i. Square root of 6 over 10. It should be called a 3-number rule. If you can divide this number, and this number by saying number, do so. Well, those are all divisible by 2. So we got 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus or minus. 4 divided by 2 is 2, I square root of 6. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we have an imaginary portion, so we want to split this apart into the real part separate from the imaginary part. So I'll put 1 over 5 plus or minus 2 square root of 6 over 5 with an I to the side. And that's our answer.